comrades, friends, citizens of this town, Annotto Bay, you've heard from the General Secretary some of the plans that we have. We want to ease the pressure off of the people, man. So we have the food program for the schools. We're going to be spending the money amongst the farmers so that the farmers can help feed the children in school who need help. $9 billion a year we budget for that. We have the right program. The right program is a program where we spend the money, $1.9 billion a year, with the taximen and the busmen to carry the children to school and back so that the parents don't have to find that money. We're going to roll it out with 20,000 children per day, every school day. And as the economy improves, we'll increase that number. So don't make Daryl Vaz fool you with him 100-hour bus, because we know that can't do the work. We have in the housing area some important programs, including the rent-to-own program, because we know many people can't produce a pay slip to prove their income and get a mortgage because they're self-employed and they're hustling, hairdressing, taxi driver, barbering, cook shop owner, whatever it may be. So we will allow you to go into possession of the house that you hope to own. And you will go in as a tenant. And you will pay rent equal to the monthly payment of the mortgage. And if you can maintain the payments for a reasonable period of time, we have in mind your 6 months initially, then we'll say, okay, you have proved your income, you don't need a pay slip. You qualify for the mortgage. You can draw down the loan and move from being a tenant to an owner of your own door key under the People's National Party.
We as a country, we deserve better. And so now my time done and better must come. Better must come for our farmers in St. Mary. Just as though a PNP government put in place a national health fund so that we can build out the health product across Jamaica. Just as though we put in place a tourism enhancement fund so we can build out the tourism product in Jamaica. When the PNP get back to office, we are going to put in place an agriculture development fund so farmers can get a fair deal and live a better quality of life.
As we march, and it is a war, we are in a PR war because they want us to not believe what we see, not believe what we hear. They believe in optics over outcomes. The PNP believes in outcomes over optics for healthcare. What that means is less ribbon cutting. It means St. Mary will have its own CT scan machine. It means that you don't go to a hospital and cannot get surgery. They're going to send you to St. Anne's Bay Hospital. It means that clinics that function. It means that any hospital that broke down, we are going to build back. We are going to build back better than before, because we, the People's National Party, believes in outcomes over optics.
We know that Belfield done, we done, and we know that Cafferton done, we done. We have 3 constituencies in St. Mary. You have Western, you have Southeast, and you have Central. And by any economic analysis, any economic data you use, Southeast St. Mary is at the back of the line. The prosperity that was promised by Norman Donner and Andrew Holness has not reached the Southeast St. Mary. Only a few of them are benefiting. Only one set of people are benefiting. Our communities are dwindling. If you go up to Long Road, if you go up to Rosemount, if you go up to Pleasant Hill, if you go up to Boxers Mountain, people are leaving.
We are at war with poverty. We are at war with corruption. We are at war with a system that holds the people back, who is liberating That is our mission from 1938 straight through. At different times we might approach it differently depending on the circumstances, the objective conditions, as I've heard it called. But whatever it is, it's the same story. We want life to be better for all Jamaicans. Time come for a better life.